Yeah guys, from when I reach us up, you know say I'm by accident.
So watch the video.
Max the length. Yeah, so they don't know what we're going and we don't tell them to go over King and Ali already and subscribe and they don't know how we do things already.
Yeah guys.
EPIC Epic. If you're a drinker, get a special. If a movie style, popcorn, caramel style, and you don't know the shape, so catch you now. Take in the intro guys.
We're so forward.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
So forward. Welcome back guys. So I don't know a long time I don't say we, so we come back with an epic recipe today guys. The one I got monumental. You need to document it. You ever hear about curry egg? Check it out.
Yes guys, curry egg. So I'm going to jump right into the ingredients and we have our garlic powder, salt and pepper, onion powder, the star of the show, the egg, and the curry powder, right? So guys, in the back we have a water boil, so we're going to just drop in the egg forward. Tell you now guys, bubble patter bubble, so we're gonna add our eggs. Yes guys, and we're going to boil these for
4 to 5 minutes guys. I want them to be hard.
Hard boil we're going for. So we'll see you guys then. So forward. Yes guys, we're ready though. Tell you now when you see you back again, removal time. Watch this.
I'm gonna shift this aside.
Magic.
Put on the pot with the oil, make it go and eat up.
Yes, guys.
You know we got to work already.
Get our oil at the right temperature that we want it.
So we're gonna make the curry sauce right now, guys. And while we make the curry sauce, we're gonna peel the eggs.
Yes, guys. So forward. Yes, guys. It's that time again. Right. I'll eat up at the right temperature. So we're just gonna add our curry. You don't know, get it aromatic. See that, guys? Only if you guys could smell the aroma from this curry.
Coming like a perfume for the kitchen.
Can I tell you, man? Guys, you need for place on orders and all them good stuff. Look at that, man. Rich. Look at that. Rich, man. Garlic powder, just a little bit. Get this fragrant and flavorful. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Onion powder. Yes. And drop it down below in the comment section if you guys heard of curried egg before. Let us know. Because you don't know, we're creative people. So salt and pepper. You don't know, in everything we do, we must have flavor and taste.
Now I wonder what kind of madness I go on over here, so though.
And a madness, guys, not madness.
Epic it epic. Coconut milk now, guys. You know the chef.
Guys,
Get it together, you know?
the aroma, oh my god, like Jesus. The place now smells so good.
I love the coconut milk.
Yes. Place now smells so good, guys. Look at that, man. Rich. Rich, real rich, no sir.
You know see, the bees pitch for me, left the rich for me.
Yes, guys.
Alright, go and take it in, guys. I got it. Look funny.
Just
Take
make
it
this coconut milk go and simmer in with all that seasoning.
And now for ask what I got add next, you know, guys, but we soon catch on the back still.
So forward. Make the coconut milk simmer in, right?
I want the coconut milk and the curry cook before we add the egg.
Yes, guys. So we're so forward. Yes, guys. Look at that. Rich, right? Yes, we added a little bit of water off camera. So now is where you will taste to make any adjustments. So if you want a little bit more salt, a little bit more of that,
Oh man, perfect.
Alright, perfect. So you can just add your eggs now. And guys, you can try out this curry sauce recipe. It doesn't have to be eggs. Anything you're doing, right?
You want your coconut fish, curry coconut fish?
The same.
A couple curry dishes well with it.
Same procedure, right? And guys, we just want the eggs to be coated in this curry because remember the eggs are already cooked. Look at that. Look how it's coating that egg.
So nice. The curry
Nice.
stay in the egg.
Yes,
And the egg
guys.
did kind of break.
But that's fine, right? Things do happen.
Look at that. Beautiful, right? Tell me if this now look scrumptious. Yummy.
Alright.
Delicious.
Yes, guys. Let us hear you guys in the comment section.
Tell me what you think.
Give us your views and all of that good stuff.
This is just the warm up here. I got basic little. Because I want it for
Rich with that curry coating. And we'll repeat this until we get the satisfactory coating or color that we're looking for, right? Yeah, guys. So I don't know to get the drip. So we're going to see we again. Time for the big bad plating. So what I want to do is this. Ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. Spam up
the comment section.
No, man, we're so forward. Yes, guys. Me know you see the plate. So start drop the banger comments them. Right? Mash. Yes, guys. Look at that, man. Hey. Don't play now. Yes, guys. And we want this mashed potato to have a rustic feel. You know what I mean?
Yes, guys. You know the strips.
Yeah.
Normally, I use a scoop. I don't know that. So we use a little spoon today. I want to have the rustic look there.
Guys, just take it in. You gotta see the vibe that we want, right? Yes, guys. What you think about this mash? Right there.
Perfect. No.
Guys.
Dark truth, guys. Dark truth.
Look at that, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Hey, don't play now.
So we go add little sauce right around the mash something there.
Yes, guys. And remember to follow us on Instagram. The pictures will be posted over there.
So you can check out Chef Alexander Bad Instagram.
Yes, guys. Check the description. It will be there. Look at that, man. Yes, guys. Look at that. Garnish. You don't know, guys. In order to have a complete meal, you have to garnish, right? Finishing touches. Thinking for go right there, sir? Talk to me. Thinking for go right there, sir? Yes. Look at that, guys. Beauty, right?
Tell me if this now finished, guys.
Yes, guys. So we're going to clean up the plate and forward back, right? Boop. Yes, guys. This is it. The final look. The final product.
So the food of them, take it in and tell what you think about it.
All I'm food them now. Look at that, guys.
Tell what you think about it.
Look at that. You know, a different rotation, right? Take it in. Look at that. Tell me the vibe you get from this.
Curry egg with a mashed potato. Well complete. Because I know the egg are fully protein.
Yes, guys.
I know the mashed potato are the starch. And we also have it as the veg. Because we have pepper flakes in it. Parsley,
guys,
cilantro, onion.
All that bomb stuff, right?
It's a complete meal, this, guys.
So, you don't know. We have reached the end of this video. Until next time. Bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.